the channel everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about the row layout in Kotlin Android Jetpack Compose. Let's begin with creating a basic column. Okay, so this column will be our main layout, and in that column we will create a row. So we will start by creating a row here, and the first thing we are going to do is we are going to create a or add a modifier to it, and background color gray, and also some padding, and let's build this. Here you can see with a dark gray color you can see a view here. Now we will add more views to this row. So to begin with, I'm going to add some text. So text is going to be, this is row item 1, and the color is going to be color dot white, and font size is going to be 18 sp, and I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. Just change the text to row item 2. Now you can see both the text items here are displayed side by side instead of going below one another, okay, or instead of displaying on top of one another. So that's where the row layout comes handy. Now one thing I can do here is I can set the arrangement. Now you can see there isn't much spacing between these two items. Now we need to do some arrangement here. You can say there isn't much space between these two items in this row. Now if I say arrangement dot space between, you will see that there is space in between these two items, and if there are two items you will see that one will stick to the you can say to the left side, and the other one will be sticking to the right side, and there will be plenty of space between these two. Now if I say arrangement dot space around, you can see that they are spaced equally. Now the things make much more clear, I'm going to remove the columns here. So now we have a column, and inside that column we have our row. The space around gives a space like this. Now I'm going to change this arrangement dot center. You can see that the spacing is given on both the sides, but there isn't much spacing or no spacing between the row items, and they are all positioned in the center. Now if you want to create a complex layout, you can use a combination, or you can do nesting of rows and columns to achieve the desired result. Now the next one is arrangement dot space evenly. You can see now these are evenly spaced. You can see even spacing between these two and the two items and the row. This was the basics of row in Jetpack Compose. In next video we will discuss more layouts.